हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल एंड वेलकम बैक टू अनदर व्लॉग। आज का व्लॉग बहुत ही फन होने वाला है बिकॉज मी एंड माय सिस्टर वी गोइंग टू गो एक्सप्लोर द स्ट्रीट्स ऑफ पुणे. इट्स बिन सच अ लॉन्ग टाइम सिंस आई गॉन आउट और सिंस आई बीन स्ट्रीट शॉपिंग. नीड टू शॉप एंड ऑल्सो ईट. सो स्ट्रीट शॉपिंग करेंगे, स्ट्रीट फूड खाएंगे. वी गोइंग टू गो टू द मेन एरिया इन पुणे, दैट इज़ पुणे कैंप. वहाँ पे बहुत सारे ऑप्शन है फॉर स्ट्रीट शॉपिंग एंड स्ट्रीट फूड. एंड इट्स बिन अ लॉन्ग टाइम सिंस आई बिन देयर. व्हेन आई वाज इन कॉलेज आई यूज्ड टू शॉप अ लॉट वहाँ से. मतलब जो भी पसंद आता था मैं उठा लेती थी बिकॉज माई कॉलेज वॉज इन कैम एंड इट वॉज ऑन द वे. बट आई थिंक आफ्टर दैट आई बीन देयर ओनली वंस और ट्वाइस एंड आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड टू गो एंड सी क्या नया कलेक्शन है, वॉट ऑल इज़ अवेलेबल. I also want to see what all food options are available जो हम 1000 के अंदर खा सकते हैं. So I am super excited. It's 10:30 in the morning right now and we are going to go get ready. I'm having my breakfast. I have some pohe and some warm water that I'm sipping on. And आज मैं सुबह उठी हूँ, so I already had my chai, that's why I don't have chai. Usually I always have a chai in the morning. So I woke up early. I did I had a lot of pending work to do, so वो सब किया, स्किन केयर का सब कुछ कर दिया. And I'm super pumped to start this video. So I'm just going to quickly finish my breakfast, get ready, put on some makeup, and then we're going to go out. And I'm so excited to take you guys along as well. So yeah, let's go. Here's my very basic minimal makeup. I'm just going to apply some sunscreen, SPF 50, because I'm going to be outdoors all day and this is a very good matte sunscreen. Then I'm just going to apply a little bit of concealer around my eyes and not around my mouth because anyway mask पहनने वाले हैं तो इतना ज़्यादा दिखेगा नहीं. And then I'm just going to set my concealer with the Fit Me loose powder, and I'm also going to do a light dust of loose powder all over my face so that I don't sweat. And then for my cheeks, I'm going to use the Face Shop lip and cheek tint and just going to apply it a little around on my cheeks and on my nose as well, and also using the same tint on my lips. This does not transfer onto the mask, so I really like this. And then I'm going to curl my lashes and apply lots and lots of mascara because I really like nice fluttery lashes with basic minimal makeup. And yeah, that is it. That is just the makeup that I'm going to do for the day. And here we already reached कैंप व्हेन आई टुक द वीडियो बिकॉज बहुत बार रोड का वीडियो दिखा चुकी हूँ मैं एंड तुम लोग बोर हो जाओगे सोच के. आई डिड नॉट रिकॉर्ड दैट वीडियो. सो हियर वी रीच्ड कैंप. सो डू यू गाइज सी दैट राइट टर्न? हाँ, वहाँ से राइट टर्न लिया एंड देन हियर वी एंटर्ड द एक्चुअल कैंप वाला लेन वेयर द होल स्ट्रीट शॉपिंग स्टार्ट्स. एंड देन वी जस्ट पार्क्ड आवर बाइक राइट एट द स्टार्ट ऑफ द लेन बिकॉज वी स्पॉटेड द फर्स्ट stall वहाँ पर ही. So yeah, this is the first stall. They had lots of these very cute fuzzy sweaters in lots of cute colors. They also had this lavender, peach color, pink color, beige, like really winter vibes. And then there was another dabba उसके बाजू में जिसमें they had all these really thin material वाले sweaters. These are still warm clothes but they're made of very thin material. They also had a few cardigans and shrugs, but they were all of the same thin sweater wala material, the crochet material. And then right next to it there was this fake makeup wala store where they had a lot of these fake Huda Beauty and all of that. And then again next to it there was again one more dabba where they had very thin material के clothes. These were again made of crochet and winter wear ही था, but they were very thin. You'll have to wear something underneath. And then थोड़ा सा आगे चलते we saw this stall जहाँ पे they had lots of sweatshirts and denim jackets and just fuzzy sweaters again. And then सीधा गए तो वहाँ पर there was this stall where they sold these really long t-shirts. They also had small t-shirts, like short t-shirts, but they were not that attractive. The long t-shirts were really nice and you can use them as night wear instead of wearing a maxi dress. So that is that. And then they also had lots of shorts and scarves, just nightwear pants and a lot of these night dresses. And then thoda sa aage jate there was this men's store. There are not so many stores for men there, mostly they're for women only, but this store had lots of joggers, sweatshirts, jackets, t-shirts for men and also shorts. These are like sportswear wale shorts. They have these fake Nike, fake Puma, fake Adidas, all of these fake brand के clothes, but these t-shirts retail for 250 and they were pretty good quality. I did check the quality. And the sweaters that I mentioned earlier, they were for 150 to 200 each. And then uske aage there's this jewelry ka stall where they sold lots of beautiful jewelry pieces, antique neck pieces and antique what do you say, earrings and all of that. And these were of different rates. There were earrings for 80 rupees, 70 rupees, 100 rupees, सब कुछ. And then उसके ठीक आगे there was this बेल वाला stall जहाँ से हमने ये चना चोर गरम लिया था. I really liked the snack because हमको भूख लग गई थी. And then थोड़ा सा आगे चलते there was this stall जहाँ पे they were selling cotton kurtas and these were for 450 each, which I think is a little expensive for street side shopping, but the costs are negotiable. And then उसके ठीक आगे थोड़ा सा आगे जाते there's this very very iconic cafe that is Marzorin. You get lots of really good food here. And then again थोड़ा सा आगे जाते there was this stall where they sold these ribbed t-shirts, and these are like perfect for college, very very basic solid ribbed t-shirts. They look really classy and they look expensive, but they're actually very very cheap. These retailed for 150 rupees each, which I think is good, but iske liye bahut hi patla hona chahiye, only then you can fit in these, or they're like very tight fitting. And then the same stall also had lots of shorts and night pants and pajamas. They were really cute designs as well, and they also had full sleeves wale ribbed tops, which I think are really cute looking and like really classy. And then right next to it was this stand जहाँ पे वो लोग की चेन्स बेच रहे थे and small purses and all of that. And then थोड़ा सा आगे चलते there was a stall where they sold these tie-dye joggers, but the quality of these joggers were very bad. It wasn't very comfortable, बहुत ही thick material था, but they looked really nice. And then उसके opposite में हम गए थे because we spotted dresses, so we wanted to check the quality and price and all that. So ये सारे जो box में रखे these are just tops, and then there are also dresses. Those dresses were for 200-250 each, but I did not like any design, and even for the tops the quality wasn't up to the mark. So ये वाला stall मुझे इतना ज़्यादा नहीं पसंद आया, so I did not get anything. I did buy a few stuff जिसका I will make a haul video which will come after this video, so stay tuned for that. Also as you guys can see, there are lots of stalls that have these winter wear sweaters and cardigans tops. They have a lot of really cool colors as well. They have colors like pastel colors, they have nudes, beige, and they have colors that really look expensive as well. So that is just me browsing through the dabbas to check if I like anything. A lot of these tops, they had like really deep necks and they were made of really patla cloth, which I don't like, and that's not something I personally wear, so I could not find a lot in these dabbas. And then there was also this earphone wala stall where you can find duplicates of MI and OnePlus and all of these. They retail for just 80 to 100 rupees, and pop sockets bhi the. Then there was this very very cute stall where they sold like really cute tops, florals, and the pattern was also really good. I loved the pattern, the color, really nice dusty rose pink, but ye zyada expensive tha, 400-350 ke the. And then the stall next to it was this denim stall where they had denim dungarees, denim dresses, denim skirts, denim jackets, denim pants, a lot of denim wear. And then thoda sa aage chalte there was this stall where they had cotton tops as well, jo bahut kam dikhe mujhe is baar. And then there's again a fake makeup wala stall. ऐसे बहुत सारे stalls repetitive थे. And then we were again a little hungry, so we stopped at this iconic takeaway joint जो कैंप में बहुत पहले से I used to eat a lot when I went to college. यहाँ से they have these chicken puffs and chicken samosa, chicken rolls, chicken subs, and a lot of these really nice snacks. So हमने एक chicken sub roll लिया था, and the taste has degraded a little bit, I must say. पहले हम लोग जब जाते थे तो the taste was really good. This tasted okay, the bun was good, the sauce was good, but the chicken inside was a little spoiled is what I felt and what Aisha felt as well. थोड़ा सा spoiled वाला taste आ रहा था, but it was okay overall. So this sub retail for 60 rupees, which I think is good for a street sub roll. बट ठीक ही था, इतना भी खास नहीं था. इट वॉज ओके एंड इट डिड fill us up for some time. And then we started browsing again through the stores. We saw this stall that had really nice t-shirts, again the same material, winter wala material, because most of the stalls had this winter wala material because winter is around the corner and a lot of people are shopping for winter clothing. So summer clothing ke we had only like 2 or 3 stalls, like we saw only 2-3 stalls. Most of the stalls had winter wali clothing, as you guys can see, but all of these stalls have really different designs. So when you go through the lane, you'll see that the designs are really different even though the material is same. They also have lots of palazzos, pants, jeggings, treggings. If you are someone who wears all of these palazzos and pants and such outfits, then you will find good items. And then there was this doormat wala as well, who sold doormats for just 200 rupees, which I think is inexpensive. And then there are also stalls that sell ye chote chote purses and clutches and bags as well. These clutches, they retail for just 100 rupees, and there are bags that were for 150, 200, and these long clutches were for 250, which I think is inexpensive, but again negotiable है. अगर तुम लोग bargain करोगे तो वो कम करते हैं, almost 50 to 100 rupees कम कर ही देते हैं. And these bags were for 250 again, and these were for 250, 300 only, but again you can get it for 200, 150, 200. You have to be good at bargaining. And the quality of the bag was also good. We did check the quality, the zip was good and it was smooth, like the quality was good. There are also these stalls जो अंदर होते हैं, but we did not go. ये भी काफ़ी cheap ही होते हैं, but it did not look that attractive to us, so हम अंदर गए नहीं. If you go, you can check, but यहाँ पे ज़्यादा कुछ दिखा नहीं, so we did not enter. And then there are also stalls that sell these really cute scrunchies, satin scrunchies, scarf scrunchies. They also have headbands, really nice prints and quality, and these retail for somewhere around 50 rupees, 50 to 60 rupees. But again you can bargain. If you buy a lot, they'll give it for 30 rupees as well, which I think is pretty inexpensive for really cute accessories. This stall also had really cute ethnic jewelry, which is perfect for the festive season जो आ रहा है. And these are again inexpensive. 100 rupees का बोलते हैं वो, 100, 120. The price range differs according to the product, but again it is negotiable. You can get it for 70, 80 rupees, which I think is a great deal. And then there are again stalls that sell lots of shoes. ये वाला particular stall मुझे अच्छा दिखा था, but when I wore the shoes, मुझे इसका quality इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं लगा, so I did not get any shoe from this particular stall. But they are cute. Not all the shoes are of bad quality. These ones that you can wear indoors, these are of really good quality. The shoes are also really good quality. And then again a lot of accessory stalls जहाँ पे बहुत सारे hair bands मिलेंगे. And then you'll also find these very very cute small jewelry, like everyday jewelry. Then there are western jewelry as well, जो ये hoops होते हैं. And then there are long earrings and just western jewelry, small jewelry, very minimal jewelry as well that you can wear every day. And this is another stall that caught my eye because यहाँ पे buy one get one था on shoes, which I thought was a great deal. And I did check for some shoes, तो मुझे quality बहुत अच्छा लगा. I did pick shoes as well, जो तुम लोग मेरे haul में देखोगे. And उसकी just बाजू में there was this another sweater का shop, but the quality of these sweaters were really good. ये वो ही same lane में सीधा सीधा जाके you'll find these. The quality of these sweaters were really good. The color was really good. It looked expensive, but actual में ये ज़्यादा expensive नहीं थे. I think 150 to 200 के थे. But again, if you buy in bulk, like अगर 2-3 लोग हैं तो they can definitely give it for 150 to 120, which I think is a great deal. They also had a few tops and sweatshirts as well, जो मुझे इतने अच्छे नहीं लगे. These cardigans or these sweaters were really nice. These fuzzy sweaters, they looked really nice quality as well, so definitely would recommend those. And then there were stores that had basic t-shirts जो मैंने इतने देखे नहीं. And then again you'll find a lot of these ballerina shoes. The quality differs from stall to stall, so you will have to check for whatever you like. And that is me holding all of the stuff that I got. And then वो लेन ख़त्म हो गया. उसके just opposite में हम आए थे, where they had these really nice trendy bags. These were again for 300, 350, again negotiable है. And they also have these basic bags, and then there are also bags that have these Indian prints on it, but ये stall में था, ये एकदम street पे नहीं था. These are a little expensive, but again यहाँ पे बहुत ही सब कुछ negotiable है ये area में, so you can bargain. And then again the same repetitive store जहाँ पे बहुत सारे वही makeup है, shorts है. There are items for men as well, which I didn't find earlier. पहले इतना नहीं होता था, but now there are clothing items for men as well, which is a great thing. So यही वो लेन है जो the main lane of camp जहाँ पे I was shopping. मार्जोरिन वाला जो लेन है वही है. So दोनों sides में shops होते हैं बहुत सारी, you can just go and shop वहाँ पे. And then there are also these cotton tops जो मुझे बहुत कम दिखे थे, mostly winter wear ही था, so that's why you guys can see socks as well. And there are also keychains. ये keychains बहुत ही सस्ते थे, 20-30 rupees में you can get really good keychains. There are also expensive ones, but there are cheap ones as well. And then t-shirt का stall था, एकदम सीधा सीधा जाओगे तो this is where we parked the bike. तो उसके opposite में there was this nail polish का stall and makeup का stall. There was also another clothing ka stall, jewelry ka stall. So all of these stalls have very different designs. The store might be repetitive, but the designs will differ from stall to stall. So just make sure to check every stall, because all these stalls have really nice designs. They also have really cute minimalist jewelry like the evil eye and flower wale designs. ऐसे भी बहुत सारे थे वहाँ पर. And then again a lot of jewelry, lot of these डब्बे वाले dresses. ये डब्बे वाले थोड़े सस्ते होते हैं. You can get 2 tops for 150-100 as well. And then हमको बहुत ज़्यादा प्यास लग गया था, so we ordered for a jaljeera, which is my favorite. I really like नींबू पानी and jaljeera, and whenever I go out I make sure to drink something because they are very refreshing on a hot summer day. इतनी भी गर्मी नहीं थी, it was cloudy, but since we were walking a lot we felt really thirsty. And then वो नींबू वाले के बाजू में ही there was this very cute shoe ka stall, but this was expensive again. Those shoes retail for 450, 400, 450, which is a little expensive for street style shopping. But the pieces were really cute and I really liked the designs. And वही area में there was this stall जहाँ पे you get really funky colorful jewelry जो मुझे camp में कहीं भी नहीं दिखे. So you can definitely check this store out. And then हमको बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लग गई थी, so we went to Garden Vada Pav Center, which is a very very famous vada pav, like it's an iconic vada pav joint in Pune, and a lot of people come here. हम लोग को literally queue में रुकना पड़ा to buy vada pavs. So we got 2 vada pavs, and we also got masala tak, which is their famous drink. So सब लोग vada pav के साथ masala tak लेते हैं, that is buttermilk. क्योंकि ये vada pav काफ़ी spicy होता है, like the chilies are really spicy. So to balance that out, वो the tak really helps, and that is me enjoying my vada pav. It looked so delicious and it tasted absolutely delicious. And to finish off our lunch, we had this chocolate sandwich. I absolutely love chocolate sandwich, but ये वाला मैं ज़्यादा recommend नहीं करूँगी because this wasn't good. इन्होंने सिर्फ chocolate sauce डाला था, and that's why I did not include the stall as well in the video, because इन्होंने सिर्फ chocolate sauce डाला था और ऊपर से थोड़ा chocolate डाला हुआ था. This wasn't good, even though it does look good in the video. It tasted really bad. So yeah, that is me hogging on the chocolate sandwich. And उसके बाद ज़्यादा हमने शॉपिंग किया नहीं because we were full, so ज़्यादा शॉपिंग किया नहीं गया. But there was this stall जो हमने गाड़ी पार्क किया था उसके right opposite में था, and they had really cute tops. Again, these are like sweater वाले tops, button वाले, deep neck वाले tops, but the colors are really nice and aesthetic. So if you are someone who's looking for that, you can buy those. And then we spotted this really old lady doing some kind of an act on the street, and we were really surprised because she seemed really fit for her age, and Aisha, being her very kind self, helped the lady because she was old. And that was pretty much it, I guess. Oh yeah, we also spotted this really cute cat, and this cat was so friendly, like surprisingly, because usually these stray cats are not that friendly, but this one was really really friendly. And since we have been petting a cat since a while now, like we also had a stray cat for a few days iske pehle, before the Persian cat. So we were really happy seeing this cat, and we knew the tricks of how to make it happy, so we were just playing with her. And yeah, that is Lens Lenskart उसके जस्ट नीचे ही हमने गाड़ी पार्क किया था. So we took our bike and we were going towards like out of the camp area, and वहाँ पे भी हमने बहुत सारे stalls देखे जहाँ पे there were night dresses and also normal dresses. These dresses were for 450-500, but they were really cute prints and designs. So if you are someone who wears dresses like this, you can go and check. And there were also very very minimal jewelry stores जहाँ पे बहुत छोटे छोटे studs, really cute studs and वो सब मिलेंगे. And again a lot of keychains, lots of dresses. This area had lots of dresses, like long dresses and jewelry. They also had these very very, what do you say, rustic jewelry or like bad boy वाले vibes वाला jewelry भी था. एंड देन वही लेन में एकदम सीधा SGS के ऑपोजिट में देयर इज ऑल्सो दिस रोड साइड बुक स्टॉल वेयर दे सेल ओरिजिनल एंड डुप्लीकेट बुक्स. दे हैव ओरिजिनल एज वेल, जो वो काफ़ी सस्ते रेट्स में बेचते हैं, लाइक 200 कम होता है एक्चुअल रेट से. एंड देन द डुप्लीकेट्स आर लाइक रियली इनएक्सपेंसिव. सो यू कैन गो एंड चेक बुक्स आउट. इफ़ यू आर अ बुक लवर, you can get books at really reasonable rates here. There are also books for kids. They have really attractive activity books, learning books, and all of those. Whatever books you want, you can find it here. And that is it for the street shopping vlog. I did buy quite a few stuff, and I will make a haul video which will come up in probably a week's time. So stay tuned for that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, then don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys super soon. Bye bye.